Today I'm going to teach you how to print a board in Monday.com. This is particularly useful when you need a physical copy of your project data for meetings, presentations, or simply to review your workflow offline. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, let's start by preparing your board. Navigate to the specific Monday.com board that you want to print. Make sure everything is organized the way you want it to appear in your printed version, as this is exactly what will be exported. Take a moment to review your columns, tasks, and any data you want included, because once we export it, that's the snapshot you'll be working with. Now let's move on to exporting your board to Excel, which is the key step in this process. Look at the top right corner of your board and click on the three-dot menu icon. This menu contains various options for managing your board. From the drop-down that appears, hover over More Actions and then select Export Board to Excel. This feature allows you to convert your Monday.com board into a downloadable spreadsheet format. Next, you'll see a dialog box with several export options. Here you can customize what gets included in your export. You have the choice to include updates, which are the conversations and comments on your items, and you can also choose to include sub-items if your board has them. These options give you control over how detailed your printed board will be. Additionally, if you want to receive a copy via email, you can toggle that option on as well. This is helpful if you're exporting a large board and want to continue working while it processes. Once you've selected your preferences, click the Export button. Monday.com will begin preparing your file, and depending on the size of your board, this might take a few moments. Keep in mind that Monday.com can export up to 10,000 items at a time, so if you have a particularly large board, you'll want to wait for the download to complete. The file will be saved to your device as an XLSX file. After the download is complete, locate the Excel file in your Downloads folder and open it in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Both applications work perfectly for this purpose. Once the file is open, you'll see all your board data laid out in spreadsheet format, which is much easier to print than trying to print directly from Monday.com. Now let's set up the print settings to ensure your board looks exactly how you want it on paper. Go to File and then select Print. In the Print Settings menu, you'll have several options to customize. First, decide which pages you want to print if your board spans multiple pages. You can choose to print all pages or select a specific range. Next, adjust the layout orientation. Portrait works well for narrower boards, while landscape is better for boards with many columns. You can also scale the content to fit on fewer pages if needed, which helps avoid cutting off important information. Finally, when you're satisfied with how everything looks in the print preview, click Print to send it to your printer. Alternatively, if you prefer a digital copy or want to save paper, you can select Save as PDF instead. This creates a portable document that you can share electronically or print later. And that's it. You've successfully exported and printed your Monday.com board, giving you a physical or digital copy of your project data that you can reference anytime. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.